So about a week ago, I came across this really good deal on this Sony 7S2 camera. So I've always wanted to own one of these. I had the opportunity to buy this for $160. With this is that the shutter is stuck closed. Now the seller wanted $400 broken down the way it was, and it's a pretty fair price because use this camera, it's well over $800 to $1,200 depending on the shutter count. I'm gonna time lapse the whole video because obviously you don't want a tutorial on how to take it apart, but you just want to know if I'm gonna be able to fix it right. So taking it apart was the easy part, right? But we gotta now put everything back. All right, guys, so at this point, I have the camera almost all the way back together. A couple screws and a couple caps. But here's the moment of truth. We turn on. 1, 2, 3. And it's on. Cool. Now I did put the cap on the sensor as I was putting it back together because you don't want to scratch that. As you're gonna see that it's already open. The sensor, the shutter went back to its place, and we're gonna put this 14mm wide angle lens. And there it is, guys. It's actually working. Okay, so it needs a memory card. I was like, damn it. I'm gonna put a memory card in here. Just ran the memory card. Okay. Ooh, it worked. There it is, guys. I got a couple of screws missing still that I gotta put back in, and some I know I forgot inside, but it's okay. I know what I have. This repair, if I was to rate it between 1 through 10, 10 being the hardest and where you gotta have skill on repairing things, I would rate it like a 9.5, almost a 10.